Hi, my name is Michael Clay. I'm one of the business development managers for the Aluminum Solutions Group for Lincoln Electric. Today, we're going to go over the simple setup of our aluminum bulk packaging solution, the Gem-Pak. The biggest advantage to the aluminum Gem-Pak solution here is it's going to drastically reduce your setup time needed for your system. It's also going to dramatically increase your productivity. The whole box is also 100% recyclable, including the glass gems in the cardboard container. We have our lifting straps included for transport, as well as forklift pockets on the bottom of the box. Start by removing the cardboard lid and pulling back the plastic covering. Inside, you'll see the packages of gems. Open each package and evenly spread the gems over the cardboard and the wire. Cut or remove the elastic band from the support bar. Now remove the support bar and the cardboard inserts, ensuring the gems are evenly spread over the wire. Cut the curled or bent portion of the wire, leaving a straight section to feed through the payoff kit. Install the payoff kit lid and feed the wire through. Feed the wire through your system and you're ready to weld. For more information on our Gem-Pak solution, visit us at lincolnelectric.com.